This is my basement where is the other part of my collection, as you can see. Some games, books, lot of books. My Starfleet Commander, Starfire, some games, mostly heavily needed. Here are my Advanced Dungeons and Dragons, Dungeons and Dragons. Dungeons and Dragons. 3W. Dungeons and Dragons. Games. Plastic Toy Soldier. Even more Plastic Toy Soldier. Advanced Dungeons and Dragons. D&D. And here are some games. Here are my Beabictis games. Here is the other part of my games collection. Simulation, GMT, lot of stuff, Decision, GMT, RunQuest, Western Games, Italian Plastic Toy Soldier, military books, books and games, some Toy Soldier, lots of Toy Soldiers, too much. My wife don't like them too much. Toy Soldier, Airfix, Atlantic, Cruiser, Strelets, and so on. These have dragons, all the breed taints. Here are some games, Europa, newsletter, books. Here are my some dragon vehicles. I don't know if you can see. Napoleonic soldiers. So, on the top, soldiers, toy soldiers, and other games.